Hey guys, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. I was out at Dallas Karting Complex today, and unfortunately it rained most of the day. I went out in the 206 one time, a couple of times in the rental. Slick tires on a wet track. We slid everywhere all day long. If you haven't never driven a go-kart in wet weather with slicks, it's very similar to driving on ice in your regular car. Doesn't want to turn, doesn't want to do anything that you tell the cart to do. Enjoy this little video I put together of kind of how the day went at DKC. Thanks for watching. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, do me a favor, hit that little bell. If you have done it, you're the man or the woman. Thanks a lot.
So, I gotta be careful through here because there's actually shit I can hit. And I don't want to be buying parts at Dallas Karting Complex. I love them to death, but I really don't want to buy parts from them this weekend. Here they go, 3 of them. Ooh, 20. The guy in front of me is in 22. That's a fast cart. They're gonna be really antsy to haul ass, and they need to just be smooth as hell. This guy's wrecking each other. That's not cool. Nice and easy. See, here we go. Boom, boom. Better to be smooth and safe than try to haul ass and end up getting off track, but that's cool. It's just for fun. So I'm gonna try to catch that guy in front of me that just passed that person there. He's going pretty well. Man, I caught this person in a really bad spot. Here we go. He spins her out too, so nice and easy. I came in there definitely way too hot. There we go, Shrek. Halfway, just I really caught this guy in a bad spot. See, look at that. Messed up my line. You don't want to do is jam on the brake. It's the last thing you want to do, unless you like just punch it to get the cart to turn and then let off immediately. When I say punch it, I mean like boom and that's it, not stay on it and ride it. Like right here, punch it. It's not raining anymore, not sprinkling or anything, so the track's gonna get better as we as this session continues. How to get a better exit. It's going to be the key here. Ballsy place to try to pass on the outside. Whoa. This guy's sliding away too much. There he goes around. Coming here with your hair on fire, going to these turns and it's wet. I mean, yeah, it looks cool, feels fast, but it's actually really slow. It's all about how you exit the turn, more importantly than how fast you go into it. That guy's just going at it too hard. That's why he spins out. It's alright though, it's fun. We good. Whoa. Man, number one is just going, this guy in orange, he is just mashing that brake last minute. Alright, now was a ride in the wet. Thanks for watching Illegal Alien Racing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks.